This is the fifth video to section 3.4. Suppose we want to graph the function y equals negative x squared plus 2. You'll see a couple transformations in there. Well, which one should we do first? In this video, we'll be discussing how to do two transformations. Let's start out with our base graph again. If we're to reflect this about the x-axis, our graph would look like this, and our function would be negative x squared. In the next part of the graph, they want us to also shift this up 2 places. So our graph would look something like that, and our function would be negative x squared plus 2. Now, let's do something similar. Let's say for the lower graphs here, we want to shift up 2 first and then reflect about the x-axis. Well, if we shift up 2 first, that would be y equals x squared plus 2. When we plot our points, we'd have a parabola looking something like this. In the next part over, we're asked to take this graph and reflect it over the x-axis, which means we are going to take the negative value of the function to the left, like this. And when we reflect that over the x-axis, we'll plot our points, and our function will look something like this. Notice that our two graphs that we did in this problem, our two final graphs, are very different depending on which transformation we did first. And that concludes the fifth video to section 3.4.